What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So y'all, let's get into these mini twists that I did on myself. Y'all, these are so pretty. So this hair is from YG Wigs. It is their Springy Afro Twist Marley hair, and it's actually human hair. So these are all the goodies that came in the box. So I did start off in the bag, just go ahead and get that out the way. So I just wanted to show you guys how I did this beautiful style. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And also, I did use 3 packs. It came in 3 packs, so I used all of the hair. But if you have more hair than me, of course my hair is very thin, so if you have more hair than I do, you will probably need more than 3 packs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. See you guys in my next one. Bye.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? It was just a lover. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, baby. Lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because it's Tuesday. Tell me where we went wrong. Started as fantasy, ended as enemies. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? If you miss me, just say that, babe. Lover, I don't deserve what you put me through, so you don't deserve one more chance. It's true, I still miss you, but I really miss that love bomb. Go back to how it was. You hit me with that love bomb, laying each other's arms all day, coming so strong, send me so strong. It was just a love bomb, love bomb. Maybe you only want what you can't have. Never seem to be satisfied till it all goes bad. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. sit alone and be sad while you fumble the best you ever had. It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. You made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away. Don't play the victim now. Let's state the facts. You're the one who left. I just quit taking you back. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit here waiting on you? I am in a forever or never type of mood. It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell